तव्हांखे खुश आमदीद तो चवे, वेलकम तो चवे। त अचो दोस्तो, असांजा मौज़िज़ महिमान अची चुका आहिनि, असांजा बुज़ुर्ग सभु अची चुका आहिनि ऐं अॼु जे प्रोग्राम जी असां शुरूआति था कयूं, अॼु जे प्रोग्राम जो आगाज़ था कयूं ऐं इन कार्यक्रम खे अॻियां वधाइण जे लाइ मां निमाणी वेनती कंदुसि श्री रमेश भाटिया साहब खे त मंच ते अचनि ऐं अची करे अॼु जे प्रोग्राम खे अॻियां वधाइनि। धन्यवाद।
His Excellency श्री संजय वर्मा जी, संगीता जी, मुंहिंजा प्यारा अज़ीज़ दोस्तो, हिन सिंधी सफ़ीने जे सफ़र करण वारा मुंहिंजा प्यारा अज़ीज़ दोस्तो दुबईअ जा, मां तहे दिलि सां तव्हां सभिनी जो आदर करे रहियो आहियां, तव्हांखे वेलकम करे रहियो आहियां ऐं भली करे आहियां। जीअं ई तव्हांखे ख़बर आहे, अॼु असीं हिते गॾु थिया आहियूं चेटी चंड मल्हाइण लाइ। चेटी चंड सिंधियुनि जो नओं साल आहे, तंहिं करे तव्हां सभिनी खे लख लख वाधायूं हुजनि। प्रसाद बि तव्हांखे मिलंदो। चेटी चंड मल्हाए रहिया आहियूं हिकिड़े नए नमूने में। जीअं तव्हांखे ख़बर आहे, असीं सिंधी अॼु मां सम्झां थो असांजा 25 साल पूरा थिया आहिनि, 25 years वी हैव कंप्लीटेड। हर दफ़े असांजी इहा ई डिज़ायर रही आहे त असीं नवां नवां प्रोग्राम ॾियूं। सिंध जी सिक, सिंध जी शाम, सिंध जी सार ऐं हुन में नयूं नयूं ॻाल्हियूं, नयूं नयूं एक्टिविटीज़ असां कयूं आहिनि। कॾहिं कवालियूं त कॾहिं बैले डांसिस, कॾहिं क्लासिकल, कॾहिं ही कॾहिं हू ड्रामा। बख्शाणी, डॉक्टर बख्शाणी असांजो मुरबी भाउ वेठो आहे, तव्हां ॾिठो हूंदो हिते थोरो असां ड्रामो हलायो पुराणियूं यादियूं करण लाइ। सभु गॾे अॼु असीं हिते हिकिड़े नए नमूने सां पंहिंजो असीं सिंधी चेटी चंड मल्हाए रहिया आहियूं। नालो आहे असांजे अॼु जे प्रोग्राम जो ज़ाल, कॾहिं ज़ेर, कॾहिं ज़बर। असीं बि जीअं गवर्नमेंट स्पीड सां वठे पई भई लेडीज़ आर नाउ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट, असीं बि तीअं मुंहुं मोड़ींदा आहियूं पंहिंजो। तंहिं करे असीं हाणे मल्हाए रहिया आहियूं ज़ाल, कॾहिं ज़ेर, कॾहिं ज़बर। ज़ाल तव्हांखे ख़बर आहे, ज़ेर कॾहिं हेठि कॾहिं मथे, पर उहे पुराणा ज़माना जंहिंमें ज़ाल हेठि हूंदी, हाणे त ज़रा ज़बर थी वई आहे। ऐं ज़बर में हिकिड़ो अखर मां ॿियो एड कंदो ज़बरदस्त, पर हिन मतिलबु इहो कोन्हे त मर्द को घटि आहिनि। गाॾी हमेशह ॿिनि पहियनि सां हलंदी आहे, जिते ज़ाल उते मुड़ुसु ज़रूरी आहे, न त गाॾो कोन हलंदो। तो दोस्तो, हाणे असीं अॼु प्रोग्राम जो आगाज़ करियूं था ऐं अनिला सुंदर जंहिं लाइ मां चाहींदुसि पूरियूं तारियूं वॼाइजनि। ज़ाल अनिला ज़ाल थी। हाणे उन जी किथां हिस्ट्री चालू कजे, चाहे स्पेस में आहे, चाहे साइंटिस्ट आहिनि, किथे किथे सभु माण्हू ज़ालूं पहुची वियूं आहिनि, त हिन फील्ड में, हिन दायरे में असांजी अनिला कंहिंखां घटि कोन्हे। उन अहिड़ा अहिड़ा बैले कया आहिनि ऐं अहिड़ा अहिड़ा क़ुर्बानियूं करे अहिड़ियूं अहिड़ियूं प्रोग्राम्स ॾिना अथसि जंहिंजे लाइ असां सभिनी सिंधियुनि खे फ़ख़ुरु आहे। मां हाणे तव्हांजो वधीक वक़्तु न वठी असीं लेट थी आहियूं, मां अर्ज़ु कंदुसि मुरबी भाउ डॉक्टर राम बख्शाणी खे त सभिनी खे हिते स्टेज ते वठी अचे, नारी सावलाणी बि। ऐं असीं जीअं असांजी हमेशह इहा असांजी प्रथा रही आहे त असीं जोत जलाईंदा आहियूं। आंधीअ में जोत जॻाइण वारा सिंधी, असीं सिंधी, तव्हीं सिंधी, सभु गॾिजी सिंधी। धन्यवाद। हाणे मां रिक्वेस्ट कंदुसि श्री राम बख्शाणी ऐं नारी सावलाणी खे त मुअज़िज़ महिमाननि खे स्टेज ते वठी अचनि त असीं उते आंधी में जोत जलाइण वारा कार्यक्रम चालू कंदासीं। धन्यवाद।
रमेश भाटिया जा लिखियल कुछ अखर मूंखे यादि पिया अचनि। हर सिंधी हिकु हीरो आहे मोतियुनि जे हार में, हर सिंधी हिकु हीरो आहे मोतियुनि जे हार में, दुनिया जे वापार में। हालतुनि खां हार खाइणु नाहे कमु हिन वीर जो, हालतुनि खां हार खाइणु नाहे कमु हिन वीर जो। छा अमीरी छा ग़रीबी खेल आहे तक़दीर जो। दोस्तो, इहा हिकदमि वॾे में वॾी सचाई आहे त सिंधी किथे बि हुजे, कहिड़े बि हाल में हुजे, मिसकीनीअ में हुजे, ग़रीबीअ में हुजे, अमीरीअ में हुजे, कॾहिं कंहिंजे अॻियां हथु न फैलाईंदो आहे, कॾहिं भीख न पिनंदो आहे। पंहिंजी महिनत सां कमायल उन सुकी रोटीअ ते उन रब जा शुकराना करे रहंदो आहे। इहा ई सभिनी खां वॾी सिंधियुनि खे ॾात मिलियल आहे उन धणीअ जी तरफ़ां, उन ईश्वर तरफ़ां। तॾहिं त पंहिंजे सिंध खां लुटिजी करे हिंद में वञी, दुनिया जे कुंडनि कुंडनि में वञी टिड़ी पखड़ी करे बि सिंधी अॼु उन मुक़ाम ते पहुता आहिनि त हिते दुबईअ में हिन रणपट में ही शेख राशिद ऑडिटोरियम जंहिंमें असां वेठा आहियूं, इहो बि सिंधियुनि जी महिनत ऐं उन्हनि जे कशालनि जो फल आहे। न सिर्फ़ु सिंधियुनि खे, पर अॼु ही ऑडिटोरियम, अॼु ही हॉल सभिनी खे कमु पियो अचे।
चेटीचंड जूं तव्हां सभिनी खे वाधायूं हुजनि। चेटीचंड खे त गुज़िरे महीनो थी वियो आहे, पर जीअं स्वामी चिन्मयानंद चवंदो हो त जंहिं ॾींहुं नओं साल मल्हाइजे उहो नओं साल जो ॾींहुं थी थो वञे। आई डोंट नो whether His Excellency is able to really follow the proceedings what has been going on, but in action I don't think you need so much to understand. I hope you have been able to follow it. Excellency Mr. Verma or Sanjay Verma and his wife Sangeeta, they are with us tonight. They have been in Dubai for just a couple of weeks. And as a new Consul General, he has endeared himself so much in the public of Dubai, Indian public, कि भरत भाई ने लास्ट वीक तो कह ही दिया कि मैं आप में गुजराती देखता हूँ, उसको सीधा गुजराती बना दिया। लेकिन मैं एक चीज़ कह सकता हूँ वर्मा साहब, कि आप जय हिंद कॉलेज में पढ़े हुए हो तो उस हिसाब से सिंधियों का रिश्ता है आपके साथ। एंड मिसेस वर्मा, शी बिलोंग्स टू माटा फैमिली, और वो हिसाब से भी सिंधियों का कनेक्शन आपके साथ बहुत गहरा है। His humility, his humbleness, I can explain. Day before yesterday, I was at a luncheon, and I just mentioned to him that day after tomorrow, when you are coming to preside the function, and Dada Ram Jethmalani is also coming, and he immediately said, Dada Ram Jethmalani is coming, then why do you need me to preside? I will come, but let him preside. I mean, that is called the humility, and I'm really touched with that humility. And particularly, उन्होंने ये भी पूछा, यहाँ दुबई में कोई सिंधी रेस्टोरेंट है? और शर्म से मेरा सर झुक गया. There are many hotels which belong to Sindhis, but they have never attempted to have a exclusive Sindhi restaurant within their premises. Italian होगा, Mexican होगा, and other different होगा, थालियाँ भी होगी, लेकिन सिंधी रेस्टोरेंट अभी नहीं बना है. I think this is a great guidance which our Consul General has given, and I assure you, by the time your tenure expires, you will have some Sindhi restaurant in Dubai. Friends, he has been to Beijing, Singapore, in Hong Kong, in Manila, in Kathmandu. So he is a career diplomat and brings a lot of experience with him to Dubai, and I'm sure during the time he stays here, sir, we assure you that complete support from Sindhi community and that way from whole Indian community will be with you. We are really honored that a person like Dada Ram Jethmalani is with us. He has a purpose. But to get a person like him to travel to Dubai at such a short notice is really a matter of great pride. सिंधी में चइबो आहे गुलनि में गुल गुलाब जो त वकीलनि में वकील चओ राम जेठमलाणी उन अहिड़ो वकील कॾहिं तव्हां ॿुधो कोन हूंदो वकालत में जंहिं एॾी मशहूरी हासिलु कई हुजे सॼे हिंदुस्तान में या इवन दुनिया भर में उहो हिकिड़ो ई आहे असांजो राम जेठमलाणी अॼु असांखे ख़ुशी आहे त असांजो बुज़ुर्ग भाउ भाई मूरजमल मंगनानी जेको हिते आहे पंहिंजी धर्मपत्नी सूदो उन खे कलकत्ते जी हिकिड़ी संस्था मदर टेरेसा जे नाले ते उहा संस्था आहे उन्हनि तरफ़ां उन्हनि खे हिकिड़ो पुरस्कार ॾिनो थो वञे जेको अॼु हीअं ॾींदासीं ऐं उन कनेक्शन में ई दादा राम जेठमलाणी हिते आयल आहिनि उन्हनि खे बि असीं ॿुधंदासीं असांजे भाउ संजय वर्मा खे ॿुधंदासीं ऐं उन सां गॾु ख़ासि ॿ ॼणा जेके ॿिया उतां आया आहिनि बॉम्बे मां असांजो राम जवाहराणी हमेशह अच्छी ड्रेस में रहंदो आहे सहयोग फाउंडेशन जो चेयरमैन आहे ऐं बॉम्बे में जेके बि सोशल कम थियनि था सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन्स आहिनि उन्हनि में हिकिड़ो इहा प्राइम संस्था आहे ऐं हिन मदर टेरेसा जी संस्था सां हुनजो कनेक्शन काफ़ी जुड़ियल आहे ऐं ॿियो आहे रंजीत भुटानी सिंधी शान अख़बार जो एडिटर आहे ऐं ख़ासि हिन मौक़े ते हिन ॻाल्हि लाइ आयो आहे ऐं ॿियो चवणु चाहींदुसि त अॼु जो हिकिड़ो सभागो ॾींहुं आहे जॾहिं असांजो भाई मूरजमल ऐं कमला शादीअ जा 65 साल अॼु पूरा करे रहिया आहिनि 65 साल पंहिंजे उमिरि जा न 65 साल शादीअ जा रवाजी तरह त हिकिड़ी ज़ाल सां निभाइणु एतिरो ॾाढो ॾुखियो थींदो आहे पर ही 65 साल निभड़िया आहिनि त इन करे असां सभिनी तरफ़ां वॾियूं वॾियूं वाधायूं ऐं तारियुनि सां करियूं अचो नाउ आई विल रिक्वेस्ट आई होप वर्मा जी आपने समझा होगा आपके बाजू में जो मिस्टर मूरजमल बैठे उन्होंने 65 years of his wedded life he has completed today. Out of that 57 years he has spent in Dubai. Chalo, I will now request His Excellency Sanjay Verma to come to us and address us.
Paksani Saab, Dada Jetmalani, ladies and gentlemen, today is a day of celebration, not of speeches. I will keep my speech very, very brief. I'm not unfamiliar with the Sindhi community. I grew up in Bandra. My neighbors have been Panjwanis, Gehanis, Gidwanis, Kriplanis. So I have heard Sindhi growing up as a child. And as Sir mentioned, I was also a beneficiary of the generosity of the Sindhi community in having established the Jai Hind Basantani Institute in Churchgate, Bombay, and I did my bachelor's in economics from Jai Hind. So my connection with you is a pakka one, not a kacha one. I would, however, like to use this occasion to address the young in this gathering, the young Sindhis, the young children. Are you listening to me, bacha log? You know, you come from a stock of people. There are very few in India who can claim 3,500, 4,000 years of great history. You know, the world talks about infrastructure development today in this part of the world and China, etc. But, you know, you kids should realize that this was done 3,000 years ago in Mohenjo-daro, in Harappa. the development, the architecture, the planning of the land from where your forefathers came set international standards. So you come from a part of India which was a trailblazer. Sindh and Punjab, it's been a difficult area in terms of geography. It's been a transit zone for conquerors, etc. Despite that, the culture, tradition, language, the Sindhi language, it's a great mix of Arabic, Persian, Punjabi, Sindhi. It shows great vitality, inventiveness, the poetry, literature. The community has gone through difficult times, but now, as they say in Marxism, the theory of surplus applies, and now you are in more or less the surplus stage of development. You have the time. So I would encourage the young Sindhis here to discover your identity. And you have great leadership in the, I was telling Baksani Saab that one of my first lessons about UAE, Dubai and the Sindhi community was in his book. A lovely book. And some parts of the book read like a PhD thesis in history. Discover that history. Discover your music, your dance, your culture, your literature. Keep it alive. Now you can. You have financial comfort here. You have stature. Build on it. So young kids, take away some time from IPL and devote it to your language. I cannot end my speech without referring to Dada Jethmalani. Sir, the first time I heard you was in the year 1977. I didn't know what was happening. I was in grade 7th in Bandra, and there was that Hawa. 1977 was a inflection point in Indian politics. Some of you will remember why. And everybody said, बहुत politics हो रहा है, speeches हो रही है, Janata Party हो रही है. So as a class 7th student, I went to Supari Talao in Bandra and I heard you for the first time, 1977. And since then, he's always in the news. To use cricketing parlance, he's got a unique batting style. You can't agree with all the strokes he uses, but his batting is great. And sir, you will probably not remember, but you had given an interview to the Telka magazine in December 2005, and there were 2 sections of that interview which stayed with me. And when I learned that you were here, thanks to internet, I went back to that article and I looked at those 2 sections again. One was his definition of what is justice. Now, justice is a very complicated, it's a very subjective concept in philosophy or jurisprudence. And he put it very simply. He traced the philosophical interpretation and the subjective. Then he says at the end of it, justice is what you would do to others as you would expect others to do to you. Very simply put, that was it, justice. The second part, which I remember from the interview, was when the interviewer asked him, it was Shoma Chaudhary in Telka. She asked him, sir, at your age, what do you make of life? And that's where I chime with him, because I come from a great atheistic, agnostic school, and he says with all humility, he says that I don't understand life, I don't understand religion. And then the word he uses is bumbling sadist. And then he says, my religion is making as many people happy as I can. I agree with you, sir. You deal with complicated issues, but you deliver simple messages. It's my privilege to have had this honor, and this evening will go down for me in my 3-year tenure as one of the finest. Thank you all for inviting me. Have a very pleasant evening.
Thank you, Verma Sahab. It was really touching speech, and may I now request Dada Ram Jethmalani, please come on the stage and address us.
Our very distinguished Consul General, Mr. Verma, my hosts here, and all my Sindhi friends, brothers, sisters present in this hall today. पहिरियों त मां तव्हांजी शुक्रगुज़ारी मञा तव्हांजी नींहं भरी नींड जंहिं मूंखे हिते आंदो आहे ऐं हिते अचण खां पोइ तव्हांजी मोहबत भरी महिमान नवाज़ी ऐं अॼु हिन शाम जो तव्हांजी सोनहरी सोबत जंहिंजी मूं लस्त वरिती आहे मां तव्हांजो शुक्रगुज़ार आहियां चेटीचंड जो ॾींहुं आहे माफ़ी थो घुरां I want my young Consul General to understand something more about the Sindhis. I think he knows enough of it, but perhaps there is some little gap which I would like to fill up. Alexander met our ancestors on the bank of the Indus. They were the naked fakirs of India. They just used to sit there, pray, write, and discuss religion and philosophy. Alexander himself used to consider that he was a great philosopher because he was a student of Aristotle. So he drew our ancestors in a dialogue. Those people asked him, he said, but why have you come here? Oh, he said, I am on a mission of world conquest. And when he said these words, they laughed and they laughed and laughed hysterically in his face. Until Alexander thought that either I am talking to lunatics or I am a lunatic. So finally these grand old Sindhis of ours, our ancestors, of whom we should be proud, they told him that, listen, you see the wide world in front of you, you can never hope to conquer it, and ultimately all that you require is 6 feet of a space where you have to be buried or burnt up. Alexander picked up this message from our ancestors and decided to go back. Historians record that Alexander thought that he had reached the end of the world, that is why he went back. But he went back because the Sindhis gave him a lesson in philosophy. He did his best to persuade these Sindhis to go with him to Macedon, from where he came. None of them would go. With great difficulty, he persuaded one chap to accompany him. In the history books, his name is shown as Kalinas, but he must be either Kalidas or some other similar name. And this Kalinas went with him. So when they went back to Iran, Kalidas suddenly developed some fever, temperature. So he went to Alexander and told Alexander that, listen, I am not well, and my religion teaches me that if I am not in complete health, I must quit. So Alexander said, but what do you want to do? He said, I want to end my life. Alexander didn't believe it. But this Kalidas, to the amazement of the Greek army, he lit up a fire, walked into that fire, and history records that he did not even bat an eyelid when he went into the fire and killed himself. That was one of the great Sindhi philosophers. But history also records that he told Alexander that don't worry, I am dying here, but we are going to meet in the next city. And Alexander himself died in the next city. He never reached Macedon back. So ladies and gentlemen, those are our ancestors, and that is our heritage, that we have resisted the lure of living in royal comfort. We have believed in our own effort, and no wonder that our whole civilization revolves round the river and the water of the river, and our god Jhulelal, Uderolal also by the same token. His vahan, his vehicle is the pala fish on which he is shown traveling through the waters of the river Indus. Now the Cheti Chand, the moon affects the rivers, the moon affects the oceans, the moon affects aquatic life, and the effect of the moon on the pala fish is a part of Sindhi lore. The pala, whatever might happen to the river, whatever the fury, whatever the storm, he will go inside, he will go deep, but he will never sink. He will never drown. And that is the history of Sindhis, that whatever might happen to you, we go through falls, we go through great heights, but we still survive, and survive in the worst of situations. Ladies and gentlemen, I am a little curious about the title of this play, Zer and Zabar. Zal, Zer and Kani Zar, Zer ta Kani Zabar. Iha vikri mard ji bewakufi tho. Ancient Hindu civilization did not have any male gods. There were only 11 female goddesses. But then as men became a little more powerful, they gave a husband to every goddess, and every goddess got married. And finally the poor goddess disappeared, the man became prominent. That is why thereafter you have the male gods. But there is one goddess which has maintained her freedom, and that is Goddess Kali. She is a goddess in her own right, and believe you me, women seem to surrender to men, but in the process of surrender they rule men. A woman is never Zer, she is never Zer Dast. A woman domesticated the sheep, the pigs and other useful animals. Man is the last wild animal that woman has domesticated. A man in his vanity and arrogance wants to be a woman's first. A woman in her wisdom wants to be a man's last. That's the difference between man and woman. So ladies and gentlemen, civilization will grow and thrive only when we respect women. And I'm glad that I find here that woman in Sindhi society is respected, and be sure that's the guarantee of your growth in civilization. I'm very happy that you are keeping Sindhi culture alive. I'm very happy that Sindhi language is still a living language. Verma Sahab, I don't know whether you are aware that Sindhis produced a trinity of poets, amongst whom Shah Abdul Latif is supposed to be the greatest poet. Scholars the world over who are masters of linguistics and particularly poetry, have come to the conclusion that Shah Abdul Latif was superior to Tagore and Shakespeare combined. Shah's Rasalo has been translated in various languages. I have never seen a poet who in the Sindhi language has used so much of alliteration. Gola je golanja tinjo thya gulam. Gola je golanja tinjo thya gulam. Sabr je shamshir sa kar kine ke katlam. That is the philosophy of Shah Abdul Latif. And Verma ji, Sindhis get secularism through their mother's milk. Others have to learn it. Sindh was the cradle of Sufism. I feel that all of you are youngsters. I don't think any one of you here really remembers Sindh. But Sindh was one place where Muslims habitually worshipped at Hindu asthans and Hindus worshipped at Muslim shrines. Even today, every year, a bunch of Sindhis comes to me for obtaining visas for them from Pakistan. They go to Pakistan, but for what? They go to the graves of the Muslim faqirs of old and do their obeisance. And that is why the Sindhi is not ever a communalist. And Sindhis have grown out of this mean and cruel phase of religion. I am not a great one for religion. I respect religion, I respect people of religion. But according to me, religion has a very bad balance sheet. Somebody has said, and I think it is not an exaggeration, that all the ships of all the navies of the world can float comfortably in the ocean of innocent blood, which through the ages has been cast in the name of religion. It's the truth. And ladies and gentlemen, therefore Verma ji was not wrong when he said that at least I believe that the highest religion is make as many people happy as you can. And I'm glad that I find here in this place you have got people who have made it a mission of their life to educate the youngsters, to keep the culture alive, and at the same time to mix with the locals and mix with them so much that the locals give you unrestricted respect and affection and also cooperation. Keep it up and Sindhi civilization will survive and will survive when other civilizations may perhaps go down. Thank you.
Thank you, Dada. It's such a enlightening talk. We need to understand that Sindhi community need to adopt historians. They have to create historians who can write history of the community, otherwise everything will be forgotten in due course of time. Now, may I request, I have requested Dada to be here, and I will request His Excellency Sanjay Verma, Mr. Ram Jawaharani, Mr. Ranjit Bhutani and Chandra Manganani, please come on the stage. And also I would request Mr. Morijmal to come on the stage and receive the honor which has been brought all the way from Calcutta to Dubai. Can I ask Kamala also to come on the stage? Because दुनिया में जो भी कुछ होता है उसके पीछे हाथ तो औरत का ही होता है. Mr. Ram Jawarani, who is connected with the institution who are giving the award, is here with us fortunately, and I'll request him to say a few words.
His Excellency Sanjay Verma ji, Honorable former Union Law Minister Mr. Ram Jethmalani, Mr. Ram Bakshani, Mr. Mojmal ji, मुंहिंजा दोस्तो, अॼु हिन दुबई जे सरज़मीन ते सिंध ते जे ॾींहुं पूरे भारत जे सिंधियुनि, पूरे दुनिया जे सिंधियुनि जे तरफ़ां तव्हांखे तहे दिलि सां, दिलि जे गहराइनि सां अॼु जे चेटीचंड जूं लख लख वाधायूं। मुंहिंजा दोस्तो, उन्हनि सॼणनि खे हिते वठी अचणु घुरिजे जिन खे डपु आहे, भरम आहे त असांजी सिंधी ॿोली, असांजी सिंधी सभ्यता पोयनि पसारनि ते आहे। उन्हनि खे सचमुच जॾहिं हिते ईंदा, ही कल्चरल प्रोग्राम्स ॾिसंदा तव्हां दुबई वारनि जा, त केतिरे उमंग, उत्साह ऐं जज़्बे सां तव्हां ही सिंधी ॿोलीअ जे विकास लाइ ही प्रोग्राम कयो था, सभ्यतिक प्रोग्रामनि खे चालू रखो था, हू यकीननि पंहिंजो वीचार मटाईंदा। असांजे वॾड़नि, असांजे बुज़ुर्गनि, असांजे आलमनि, मुफ़करनि, असांजे दरवेशनि जे इल्म, अक़ुल ऐं सदियुनि खां गॾु कयल अनुभव जेको आहे उनखे असीं सिंधियत चऊं था। उन सिंध जो वरसो असीं भारत में संभालियूं था, उहो त स्वाभाविक आहे, पंहिंजे घर में पंहिंजे वरसे खे संभालणो आहे, पर सचमुच आफ़रीन आहे तव्हांखे जो विदेश में रहंदे बि ऐं हिन नमूने सां तव्हां कल्चरल प्रोग्राम कयो था, ॿोलीअ जे लिहाज़ खां हर तरह सां, उन लाइ तव्हांखे लख लख वाधायूं। अॼु मां वाधायूं ॾींदुसि दादा मुर्जमल मंगनाणी साहिब खे, जंहिंखे अॼु मदर टेरेसा लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड असीं हिते ॾेई रहिया आहियूं। इहो दरअसल 10 अप्रैल ते कलकत्ता में थियणो हो, पर उते न वञण जे करे असां इहो दादा राम जेठमलानी खे रिक्वेस्ट कई वई त उहो अवार्ड हिते अची तव्हांखे ॾियूं। मुंहिंजा दोस्त, हिन धरतीअ जे ॻोल्हे तां सभु को लंघे थो, सभई पंहिंजे जीवन गुज़ारे वञनि था, पर छाप कोई थो छॾे पियो, जेके पंहिंजे निजी स्वार्थ खे, पंहिंजे फ़ाइदे खे अलॻि रखी, ऊंदाही साइड खे अलॻि रखी रोशन साइड ॾिसनि था, ऐं उहे ई शख़्स सॼी जातीअ जी ओन रखनि था। अहिड़ा ई शख़्स तारीख़ जे सुफ़नि में, उन जे पननि ते पंहिंजो नालो दर्ज कराइनि था। अहिड़ी शख़्सियत आहे मिस्टर मुर्जमल मंगनानी। मां ईअं बि चवां त काई वॾी ॻाल्हि न आहे त हुन जी शख़्सियत निज सिंधी मिटीअ मां ॻोहिजी तयारु थी आहे, ऐं उन जी दिलि जे किनारनि ताईं सिंधियत ई सिंधियत भरियल आहे। 57 सालनि खां भले हू हिते रहे थो, पर भारत में बि असांजे ॿोलीअ जे विकास लाइ, कला जे विकास लाइ, साहित्य लाइ कलाकारनि खे हिमथाईंदो रहे थो, ऐं घणनि ई संस्थाउनि सां जुड़ियल आहे। उन जी दिलि उते आहे, जिस्म भले हिते हुजे, हर तरह सां हो हिते हिते जो अॼु अंतर्राष्ट्रीय बिरादरी भाव जो जेको माहौल आहे, उन में बि हू सिंध ऐं हिंद जे अदीबनि खे घणेई हुन गॾिजाणियूं करायूं आहिनि, लतीफ़ अवार्ड वग़ैरह ॾिना विया आहिनि। त हिन शख़्स जो जेको योगदानु आहे उहो सचमुच तारीख़ी योगदानु आहे, ऐं असीं चाहींदासीं। ऐं उहो अवार्ड अॼु असीं ॾियूं था दादा राम जेठमलानी जे हथनि सां। हिकु ॿियो कर्मयोगी इंसानु आहे। मां त हमेशह ईअं चयो आहे त सॼी दुनिया जो ही सिंधियुनि जो रहबर आहे। जॾहिं बि कंहिं सिंधीअ खे काई तकलीफ़ अचे थी त सभु रस्ता, सभु राहूं, सभु अची उते ई मिस्टर जेठमलानी वटि ख़तमु थियनि था, छाकाणि ही हमेशह मदद जे लाइ तयारु आहे ऐं हमेशह तयारु रहंदो। ही हिकिड़ो ई राम जेठमलानी आहे ऐं हिकिड़ो ई रहंदो, पर जेकॾहिं 5-7 ॿिया राम जेठमलानी जहिड़ा असां वटि अची वञनि त असांजे जातीअ खे कॾहिं बि लहर लोॾो कोन्हे को। सदियुनि ताईं सिंधी असांजा जीअरा रहंदा, सिंधियत जीअरी रहंदी। हिकिड़ो ई आहे। आख़िर में मुंहिंजा दोस्तो, आराधना है झूलण जे दर त सदाईं सिंधियुनि में उल्फ़तूं ई उल्फ़तूं, मोहबतूं ई मोहबतूं रहनि, कॾहिं कुल्फ़त न थिए, कॾहिं कमु न थिए। महिरबानी, थैंक यू।
Thank you everyone.